Pet food manufacturers. Are you looking for a fully automatic pet food packaging machine? Look at here. This doypack pet food packaging machine is suitable for stand-up bags, zippered bags, octagonal sealed bags, etc. It is suitable for bags weighing up to 2.5 kilograms. Pet food packaging machine, automatic feeding, coating, weighing, filling, and sealing. With 8 packaging stations, can save 8 packaging workers, and the speed is between 15–45 packages per minute. Pet food packaging machine, capable of packaging cat food, dog food, rabbit food, etc. It has 2 major features. It is very convenient to change bag specifications, which can be easily done into minutes. Then, it automatically detects whether the bag is filled with materials. If not, the bag will not be sealed, avoiding bag waste. After simple training, employees can quickly get started with the operation. If you want to know more about the details, please contact us.